Okucondozo kwakozirwe ekitongore ky'ebyamagara nikworeka ngu hagati y'omwaka gw'2024 hamwe n'2024 abeerere 12 nibazarwa 22 bakaba nibafa batakahikize 28 omunsi ekirikureeta okuzarwa biine oburemeezi hamwe nabo abarikuzarwa batahikire okwenda kucendeeza oburemeezi obu. Irwariro rya Uganda Matazibanda eririkumanywa nka Kagongo ryizire kutandikaho wodi y'abaana ab'ekika nk'eki obwanyuma y'embeera kwerarikiriza.
Twiguraho omukwezi kwa kashatu kureka tukabatankireho kareho enyuma omu 11 tukozesa kayinda kabeka ryoko abakazi bakuzarwa mu maternity konka kakakari kake so omu kwa kashatu nibwo twiguraho obw'omwanya omuhango tukatandika kureberera ki ababana kandi sofa enamba itukureberera n'enamba mpango eri kutureka tukaba tukyererwe kutandika.
Aha nyuma y'amezi 3 gonka wodi takatandikirweho irwariro ritungira abeerere 136 kandi ahari abo 13 barabasize kukira omubaro gurikwerarikiriza.
Okukira munonga n'abaana b'okuzarwa okashanga bataraka kwisya abatakurira abo bayeza kuzarwa okashanga twine kubapikamu mwika then bakatandika kwisya bakweta birth asphyxia then abandi nibakira ku buhembo umuriro ombwire buke bahereze kuzarwa etwaza kweta neonatosepsis abamwe abo kuzarwa tubashemize umwe bayeza kushemezwa omwana afuna kwisya kubi etwaza kweta transient tachypnea of the newborn,
and most often we would refer them to Mbarara, and mothers would find it very hard. For example, at night they have come at night, they are prematures and there are no means of transport a child from here, from Uganda to Mbarara, which is about 75 kilometers, and we don't know what transpires along the way.
Ahabwo butebaasa kusya habeerera abobuhereza kurungi aba Rotary Club y'Ibanda hamwe na Savannah South ya Georgia bakataho ihuriro y'okurundana miliyoni 900 okugura eby'omu kwatarahirwa reri.
The equipment that we bringing on board include I'm not very technical in these terms, but we have a phototherapy machine. And we have a CPAP machine. CPAP. I said earlier that I'm not technical. Baby warmers. We are bringing 5 baby warmers.
I want to tell you that the story is going to change. You might now start being high ranked at a lower level in doing the wrong things. So, but we also want to thank your commitment. Good enough, I had a stint with this project, so I understood it.
Dr. Gofaulo Tumubuga nasimira ba Rotary kandi yashaba government hamwe n'abandi bantu okwimukiramu ahabwa embere yibarukurabamo.
Neonatal care unit, it is labor intensive and it needs a lot of attention and committed health workers. As a hospital, we are going to train the health workers that are going to be working on this. But again, its running needs a lot of finances.
Nsima Rotary, nsima irwaro rya Kagongo, akubari kari yatebenkanise yayombekere rumejo yo kutekamo ezincubators. Nsima government ya Uganda habwo birungi na bibiri nekora.
Amakuraga gashakwa Timothy Mushabei.